everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So I'm really excited. Today I'm opening Sprinkles and Wishes. I did receive this box a few months back. It's actually been a while now. It was in March because it was a St. Patrick's Day theme and it was so cute. So this is a subscription that is available on Cratejoy and it's about like $11.95 per month, I believe. Of course, I will leave all of the information down below if you're interested. But this is such an adorable, fun subscription to get. You get like 2 wish bracelets, which are those bracelets that have charms in them that you keep on your hand until they fall off and then your wish comes true. And then there's other goodies as well. So this is what the box looks like. This one's super cute. I have no idea what's in it or the theme or anything like that. So let's get unboxing. Just want to remind you all though, before I start opening this lovely box, that we have several different giveaways going on our channel that are ending within a week. So there are 2 ending on the 7th, I believe, and that's a skincare giveaway as well as that mini giveaway in the Ultra Tribe video. And then there's also the giveaway that ends on the 10th with Formulate, so you can win your own customizable shampoo and conditioner. So if you have not yet entered those, the links will all be down in the description box. But anyways, let's get unboxing. And when I open it, this is what I see. This looks super cute, like pink and girly. I love it. And there's a card here, which I will read to you guys. Look, there's a cute little unicorn on there. I love unicorns. It says, "Hello and happy almost summer. Who doesn't love unicorns?" Good question. I don't know who doesn't. When I think of unicorns, I get happy. This month's theme is unicorns. Inside this box of happy, you'll find 2 unicorn wish bracelets, envelopes for mailing, stickers, and other fun surprises. Enjoy your box of happy. Be sure to leave your review at cratejoy.com/ I'll leave that link down below. And your review is so valuable. This is so cute. And oh my god, a unicorn theme? How adorable. So under the card, this is what I see. There's like some cute little pink squigglies. And then there is like this little case that says "Dream Like a Unicorn." This is so cute. This is like, could be used as a pencil case or to hold makeup or whatever you want. Inside, this is what it looks like. You can even like hold sunglasses in here if you wanted to. But how cute is this? I love unicorns. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, there's a unicorn sucker. Or as Candace would say, lollipop. Look how cute this is. You guys have to tell me, in what part of the world are you from, and do you say sucker or lollipop? Because the packaging says lollipop, but I grew up in Chicago in the Midwest and we said sucker. I still say sucker, so I'd love to know what you guys say, because like whenever I say sucker, Candace like jokes around with me, and a few other people reply that they say sucker too. But oh my god, you guys, this is the cutest sucker I think I've ever seen. Oh, and there's some stickers in here as well. These are adorable. It's definitely unicorn themed stickers. There's like a panda on there too. It says "Your sparkle has not gone unnoticed." I love these stickers. Hopefully my lighting's okay. One of my box lights just went out like a second before I started filming, but I was like, you know what? I want to film, and it's bright enough, I think, right? Let me know. Okay, so here is a little notepad that says "My spirit animal is a unicorn." This is so cute. This is by Crown Jewels, it says. Super cute. I love this. I love the theme this month. And now on to the wish bracelets, like the main thing. These are so cute. I think, well, I know that the owner has like an Etsy shop and these sell for around like $4 each, or I think maybe even more on her site, and there are so many to choose from. They're so cute. This is "Roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn." The idea of a wish bracelet is to make a wish as you tie it on your wrist. When it falls off, your wish will come true. How cute is this? They give, did my earring just come off? The back of my earring just came off. I love these earrings, but they're pretty heavy. So they kind of fall off. But yeah, what was I saying? So I just showed you this wish bracelet, and the second one also has a pink unicorn, but it appears a little differently in the packaging. And this says, "You are better than unicorns and sparkly combined." Aww. And that tells you again what the wish bracelets are. Oh, and it does have the Etsy shop on here. It's etsy.com/shop/sprinkles and wishes. So if you wanted to check those out. What I did last time when I got this, I had 2 St. Patrick's Day one, and I sent one to my mom. So I'm wondering who I'll give one to this month. They do give you envelopes if you want to send one out, which I think is super cute because I think it's such a fun and thoughtful little gift. So I will be doing that. I just don't know who to yet. And then I'll keep one for myself. So it'd be like friendship bracelets kind of. Super cute. Oh my god, there's even a little unicorn pin. I love how well like the box goes with the theme. You know, sometimes there's a theme but the items don't like 100% correlate. Oh, and I think this is newer to the box that if you want to display one of your bracelets, they have this little easel. So you can like, whoop, dropping things like always. So you can like place this on here and show it off. So that's really cute. And there's a couple more things. So there is a pen in here. Nice. So you can like write a little note. So let's see what, and there's a notepad to use it with too. Let's see, is it green? Yeah, it is a green pen. So that is super cool. This is a Bic Crystal pen. I like this. I love the color. I'm all about like colorful pens. Like I was totally all about it during school and everything. Now that I'm out of school, I still love them and use them for notes and everything. I just think they're so much more fun than like the boring colors, you know? And then last but not least, oh my gosh, you guys, Fruit Stripe. Do you guys remember this as when you were kids? How cute. Oh my god. I haven't had these since seriously like the 90s. Like that is awesome. So 5 sticks. The flavors are Wet n Wild Melon, Cherry Lemon, Orange, Peach Smash Gum. I am so excited about this. Oh my god. I think I would like bring these out and like when someone asks for a piece of gum or something, I'd give it to them. That'd be so funny. At least I think it would be. This is like a throwback. I didn't even know they still made these. So I think this box was so cute. I love the unicorn theme and I love that everything stuck to the theme. Like seriously. Okay, so we got this little unicorn bag. Unicorn stickers, the little easel to hold one of the 2 wish bracelets. And then if you want to send them to anyone, there's some envelopes, which is super cute. We've got this little unicorn notepad, a unicorn sucker, unicorn pin, and then the Fruit Stripes. This is so fun to open. I love this box, so cute. Oh my gosh. So like I've already said, all the information and links will be down below. Definitely check them out. I think it's so fun to get and it would definitely make a cute gift as well. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.